Welcome to the Vonderau Real Estate Team. Today we are talking about downsizing in Northeast Ohio and what to know before you sell the family home. For many homeowners here on Cleveland's west side, the house that worked beautifully while raising a family may no longer fit the way they live today. Here are the 10 questions we hear most often. What is the difference between downsizing and right-sizing? Downsizing generally means moving into a smaller home. Right sizing focuses on finding a home that better fits your current lifestyle, maintenance preferences, financial goals, and future needs. The right home is not necessarily the smallest or least expensive option. When should I begin planning to downsize? It is often helpful to begin planning 6 months to several years before a potential move. Starting early gives you time to explore housing options, understand the value of your current home, sort belongings gradually, and make decisions without unnecessary pressure. Should I find my next home before selling my current home? The best sequence depends on finances, market conditions, comfort level, and the availability of suitable homes. Some homeowners sell first while others purchase before listing. Temporary housing, possession after closing, home sale contingencies, or financing options may also help coordinate the transition. Is a condominium completely maintenance-free? Not necessarily. A condominium or homeowners association may handle landscaping, snow removal, and some exterior maintenance, but owner responsibilities vary. Buyers should review association documents, monthly fees, reserve funding, maintenance responsibilities, rules, and potential assessments. Will moving to a smaller home save money? Not always. Smaller ranch homes, condominiums, cluster homes, and properties with first-floor living may be in high demand and can cost more than expected. Homeowners should consider taxes, association fees, utilities, insurance, maintenance, future repairs, and lifestyle benefits, not only square footage. How should empty nesters begin sorting belongings before selling the family home? Begin with areas or categories that carry less emotional weight and separate belongings into items to keep, give to family, sell, donate, or discard. Adult children should be encouraged to address belongings stored in the home early in the process. Do I need to declutter the entire home before contacting a real estate agent? No. An experienced agent can help create a preparation plan and connect you with organizers, estate sale companies, movers, donation services, contractors, and clean-out resources. You do not need to complete the entire project before asking for guidance. Should I renovate my home before selling? Not necessarily. Some improvements may increase marketability, while others may cost more than they add to the sale price. Before beginning major renovations, compare your home with recent sales and discuss which improvements are most likely to influence buyers. What should I look for in my next home when right-sizing on Cleveland's west side? Consider layout, accessibility, maintenance responsibilities, location, storage, taxes, association fees, and proximity to family and daily activities. Also consider whether the home will continue to meet your needs in the years ahead. Why is downsizing emotionally difficult? A longtime family home may hold decades of memories and represent an important chapter of life. Leaving can create a sense of loss even when the move is practical and positive. Planning early and involving family members appropriately can make the transition more manageable. You do not need to have every detail figured out before beginning the conversation. The Vonderau Real Estate Team has decades of experience helping homeowners throughout Westlake, Bay Village, Rocky River, Avon Lake, and Cleveland's western suburbs prepare, market, and sell longtime family homes. Contact the Vonderau Real Estate Team to start the conversation or visit our website to learn more.